Once again, same race, same everything. I wish there was a new Super Mario Kart game and on Nintendo Switch. Oh, Nintendo notification. There's a new Mario Kart game called Mario Kart World? I'm going to buy that right now. It's available on Nintendo Switch 2? Since when is our Nintendo Switch 2? How much is it? $500? Well, I mean, it's not, but plus tax. But that's $150 upcharge from Switch 1. Oh well. This better be worth it. Oh, that must be the mailman. Oh, hey. How can I help you? Are you Thomas? Yeah? Your order has been canceled. What? My car went through. It's supposed to be delivered today. Not on our end. Maybe you maxed out your credit card. No, that's the only thing I bought this month. Oh, well. What'd you do that for? You're banned from Amazon now. No, I'm not. What? How does that even happen? That's why it declined. You know what? Yeah, you better run. Every time I come by, your neighbor's doing something stupid. Well, since I'm banned from Amazon, I have to see if I can go get it in person. Out of stock. Of course. Oh wait, it's back in stock? Perfect.
Some of these people, you wonder, how long what games are you gonna get for it?
I haven't decided yet. Okay.
Alright, I'm finally back home, so now it's time to unbox.
What's that?
Just unboxing a Switch 2 for video, be quiet.
There's something off about this.
You're just jealous I'm upgrading. Wow, everything's syncing over, yay! Okay, we're all set up and... Wait, isn't Mario Kart World poorly rated? So I bought an overpriced console for an overrated game? You know what? I Smashed is back!
Hit it, Daddy.
And upload. What do they want now? Hello?
You maxed out your card buying 2 Switch 2s.
What? Amazon canceled mine.
Did they refund you? Also, nice video, is mashed. Nintendo Switch 2.
Wait, how do you even know about that? I'm done.
I knew this was a bad idea, and so with that, thank you guys for watching.
Comment, like, and subscribe. 50 ways to smash a Nintendo Switch 2. You were so delayed.
Yeah, I know. Sorry.
Bye.
Bye.
Do you guys have to be so extra?
Sorry.
I'm fucking broke. I did it.